Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, kindly don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and don't forget to leave your comments. So let's get straight into the video. And of course, I'm back with another amazing video. Today we're preparing macaroni with beef stew, and we have our ingredients here. We have macaroni, the 500 grams, meat, half a kg, 2 onions, 3 carrots, 1 capsicum, 3 tomatoes, smashed garlic and ginger, a half a teaspoon of garam masala, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, a half a teaspoon of curry powder and salt. So we're starting by boiling our macaroni. So add a half a jug of water in a sufuria, then cover it and let it boil. So after your water's boiled, you can add salt your favorable amount and cooking oil, 2 spoons to 3 spoons. Then you can now add your macaroni. After adding your macaronis, cover it and let it boil. So after the water's drained in your macaroni, you can now remove it, and it's time to prepare beef stew. So you first add your onions into a sufuria, then leave it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then you can add your meat. So after adding your meat, cover it for about 5 to 6 minutes. Then add your capsicum and your carrots, and also your smashed ginger and garlic. After again adding everything, now cover it again for 3 minutes. Then you can add your curry powder, black pepper, salt and garam masala. Stir it for a while. Then after that, you can now add our tomatoes. After adding our tomatoes, cover it for 4 to 5 minutes. Then you can add a little amount of water and now let it boil. So at this point, I believe our beef stew is ready, so you can now serve it. And here's our macaroni and beef stew. Hope you really enjoyed my video. If you did, kindly don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to leave your comments. So till next time, bye.